You're watching Roanoke, your source for what's happening in the Valley. I'm your host, Margaret Hunter Wade. The next event is sure to be a slam dunk. Participants are competing for hundreds of dollars in prizes, all while benefiting a worthy cause. The second annual Star City Slam is a 3-on-3 basketball tournament supporting New Horizons Healthcare. Here to tell us more about the event are Eileen LaPro with New Horizons and Delegate Sam Russell. Thank you all for being here.
Thank you.
Great to see you.
Too.
Great to hear about a good cause and a fun event. So let's just kick it right off with New Horizons Healthcare. For folks that don't know, what kind of resources do you provide for our community?
Well, we're a community health center, and our mission is to provide affordable, accessible, comprehensive, high-quality primary care particularly for vulnerable and underserved populations.
Okay.
But we have universal access, so we open our services to anyone in the community who seeks that care.
All right, and you mentioned services, so specifically what services are available through New Horizons?
Well, we have a wide array of services because we look at every patient, every family as a whole person or a whole family unit.
Okay.
So we offer traditional medical care, behavioral health services, assessment, counseling, psychiatry. We also have a pharmacy on site and medication assistance services. We do health education, nutrition counseling, community outreach, enrollment for the insurance plans, and most recently we added a dental program as well.
Well, I'd say you run the gamut of healthcare services, so clearly a good service here in the community. How does someone become a patient of New Horizons should they need your services?
Well, one of the things that makes us unique is that we have universal access, so anyone can become a patient if they desire, but we have a sliding fee program which people would apply for, and it's based on income, household income, family size, and federal poverty guidelines, so that people who qualify for that, even if they have insurance, can pay on a sliding fee and a reduced fee. And so it makes it much more affordable for people who are challenged financially.
Sure. So, of course, sliding fees, somebody's got to cover those costs, which is where great fundraisers come into play. Sam, that's why you're here. So tell us about this 3-on-3 basketball tournament, the Star City Slam, I believe is the name, and kind of what people can come out and participate in for a good cause.
Well, I love basketball, and there was a youth summit where the youth said we'd love to have more basketball tournaments.
Oh, nice.
So we said, why don't we put this together? New Horizons is actually formerly Kumba, and so growing up as a child of immigrants, we needed a little help along the way. My siblings benefited from Kumba's services many years ago, so I thought, why don't we put a basketball tournament together as a fundraiser to benefit New Horizons Healthcare. So November 1st at William Fleming High School, we'll have a 3-on-3 basketball tournament. It's a Sunday, so right after church around 1 o'clock we'll have a tip-off.
Very nice. I don't know a whole lot about basketball, so for a 3-on-3, obviously it's 3 folks to a team. Do they pull together their own teams to come and register and play, or how does that work?
They can visit starcityslam.com and be able to register there. 3 or 4 folks on a team, so you've got a sub. And we're going to have an extensive double loss elimination tournament, but people should have a real good time in the afternoon. Last year was a packed crowd, so we're looking forward to this year on November 1st.
Yeah, I'm sure there's a lot of energy in the basketball court with all those folks in there. So prizes, I understand that's maybe an incentive to coming out and participating. So how does that work?
Yeah, we're offering some prizes for our winners. We'll have an A and a B league, so one that's a little bit more competitive, one that's not. That's a little bit more for fun. So at starcityslam.com, people will be able to sign up for the respective league. And last year they won a whole host of prizes that were donated by the community.
Alrighty. Are these co-ed teams, and is there an age limit, or I guess do you have to be a certain age to participate?
Co-ed, men and women, and 14 and up.
All right. Sounds like a lot of fun. So the reason, we bring the community together to understand about a program like New Horizons, why is this important, and how is, New Horizons benefiting an underserved, part of our community, and kind of how you got involved? You gave us the background on it, but how is this a fit for us?
Well, ultimately we're trying to create a healthier community overall and improve individuals' and families' quality of life. And so by providing that healthcare home for people, regardless of their income or their ability to receive care otherwise, whether they have insurance or no insurance, we're reaching the broader spectrum of the population and serving people across, cuts across all ages,
Right.
all income levels, all cultures, and languages. So we're really trying to be a resource that's open to everybody.
What's
Excellent.
particularly exciting is the new dental clinic. As we know, that's harder to receive coverage for. So their dental clinic is pretty neat, so those that are in need of dental care can access it.
Excellent.
Right.
Well, I appreciate you all coming on, and good luck with the event. It sounds like a lot of fun.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
You can find out more about the Star City Slam and other events happening in the Roanoke Valley on the community calendar coming up at the break. I'm Margaret Hunter Wade, and you're watching Round Roanoke on Cox 9. Thanks for tuning in.